Hey guys. Okay, so my hair is relatively dark, but we are going to dye it Poppy Seed, which is 12 Natural Blue Black by Garnier Nutrisse. That's pretty much the brand I use. So currently my roots are coming in. I have like a dark brown hair naturally, and any blue or anything I think is pretty much washed out. So I do want that back. So let's get started. Oh, and this is the swatch. Jesus. Do you hear the football in the background? I do not care about football. I think it's my least favorite sport. Yeah. It's not my thing. Okay, I just like shot this all over my leg, which was not a part of the plan. Hope it's not necessary for color payoff. Oh, and I just shot it on my other leg. Why is it not coming out properly? Okay, well, that oil is mostly on me. Oops. That is the one piece of packaging. That and the gloves. I wish the gloves were better. And that, like, the dispensing thing for the oil just seems just dreadful. Oh, so I've also been dying to dye my hair because Elizabeth is 4 months old now, and I didn't realize how like beautifully luscious my hair was when I was pregnant, but starting probably at about like 2 or 3 months after having her, my hair was just falling out. And not like in chunks or anything weird, just super thinning out. And I've been so used to like taking the prenatals and just my hair being more full that I kind of forgot how crappy thin my hair is. So I recently got it cut into more of like a shag cut in an effort to just kind of, I don't know, pick a style that goes with my hair texture, which is just like, I don't know, super fine and okay, so anyways, it's so funny. So this is called Poppy Seed, and then it says Natural Blue Black. Does anyone naturally have blue-black hair? I'm not trying to insult anyone, I'm just genuinely curious. Does anyone have blue-black hair naturally? And I actually haven't dyed my hair in like 2 months. Maybe 3. So my natural color is actually darker than I remember, or it has gotten darker over the years. Because I know I play with it and dye it a lot, but when I was younger, it was definitely like a light brown. I feel like it's gotten darker. Usually what I do around now is take my mirror into the bathroom and make sure that the back and everything like around my ears is really like well coated, and also like the bottom, because I feel like I'm afraid to just dye my neck, so sometimes I don't go low enough in the back because I don't have long hair obviously. So okay, so I'm gonna check the back. I'll be right back. Good thing this isn't a horror movie, because whenever they say they're coming back, they're not coming back. Our hair is pretty well coated, if I do say so myself. And I just used some soap and warm water on like my hairline and my ears to try to wash it off as best I could. And I had to go a little bit lower on my neckline in the back, but it looks like I actually did a pretty reasonable job. So now I'm just going to wait 30 minutes and then I will rinse it out, blow dry it, and come back and show you. So I will see you soon. Hey guys, so we're all blow dried and it is really nice. It's shiny as usual, but I will say this is really just a cool toned black. I'm not really seeing the blue. If it's there, it's very slight. So I guess if you just want like a very deep black that has like a cool undertone, which is what the blue is really supposed to do, then this is a good choice. But if you want something with any like any pop of blue, this would not be a good choice. But I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it's nice. So I'll leave below how it lasts typically with these. The black remains. Any of the trickier undertones, like the blues, tend to wash out a bit after a couple of weeks, but since there's really not much blue, I feel like this is just going to stay, except for when my roots grow in. I usually use a color safe or sulfate-free shampoo, but that is pretty much it, and I dye every couple months. So yeah, I really like this. I'll leave any other details below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, and if you have any requests, like any that you want me to try that are black or dark blue or something like that, let me know. And here's a baby! Whoop whoop! Okay, that's too much.